Ngayon, independent ba ang judicial department sa ibang branches like sa executive at legislative?
Yes, hindi lang independent, co-equal. Hindi siya under ng executive department, hindi siya under ng legislative department. In fact, they are co-equal. So hindi pwedeng diktahan ang Supreme Court or mga judges ng presidente or ng legislative because they are co-equal. Ang Supreme Court or lower courts, they enjoy tinatawag na judicial independence. Pag may judicial independence, ibig sabihin, they enjoy fiscal autonomy. They enjoy security of tenure. And they have exclusive rule-making authority. Ibig sabihin, rule-making authority sa rules of court, Supreme Court ang gagawa niyan, hindi ang mga congressman. Mga congressman, hindi pwedeng gagawa ng rules of court. Ang pwedeng gumawa lang ng rules of court, ang Korte Suprema. Fiscal autonomy, they enjoy it. And also, yung tinatawag na security of tenure, hindi pwedeng tanggalin ang isang judge ng congressman or ng senador. Hindi pwedeng tanggalin yan because all the judges or including the justices of the Supreme Court, they enjoy security of tenure.